Another edition of It's Cold for Vegas. It's 38 when I launched. Got some new microphones, hope they're working, hope you can hear me. Got new batteries in the boat. Got some new lithium trolling motor batteries. So now I have a giant cranking battery on the right side of the boat and my fat butt on the right side of the boat and no weight on the left. So there you go. Probably do something about that, I guess. I don't know. Or not. I'm out here because it's the end of December. Oh, there goes an eagle. Wow, I knew it. This time of year you see them. There goes a bald eagle. That's cool. Cool. I love seeing that stuff. Trying to catch some crappie is what I really want to do, but I just wanted to really be on the lake. Water temperature is 54. It's cold. Usually you can find them holed up by some rocks or something. So we'll see if we can catch one or something. I might just have to troll until I find something, but there's some activity going on back there. Let's see if there's anything out here in the middle. I got my hands in my pocket cause I'm really chilly and I got the sun on my face and it feels so good. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, maybe. Full moon, so got a little storm coming in, maybe, but I ain't been out here in a while. So we got some good things going. Hope all my fishing stuff still works. It's been a long time since I've been out here. So my trolling thing deep, see what happens. How y'all been? I know you missed me. Only 5 people watch the channel. Oh my gosh, I got a giant, folks. I got a giant bass. Please come here. Oh, I pulled up and got this jerkbait. Oh, please don't get off. Oh man, this is not good. It's barely good. Very side hook too. Oh yeah, he came up. God, get there. He's cold. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yes. Oh yes, look at that, folks. Oh, he got all 3 hooks. Oh man, brand new 6-inch jerkbait I got when we was in South Carolina at Academy. On clearance or so, whatever you want to call it. But this little guy, he got hooks everywhere, sir. He's been caught before. He had a few hooks in him. Get one out and another one gets in there. There we go. That's got some weight on him, man. Let me tell you. That little fish probably weighs a pound and a half, pound and 3/4. He's heavy. Go. Well, got a first fish on the jerkbait. Brand new 6-inch jerkbait I just got. It's called chartreuse. Something has got chartreuse and purple in it. 2 really good colors for this lake, for this part of the country. I love it. I'm a happy man. Woo! So it was a 123, pound and a quarter. Hey, that's a good one. Wasn't no dink. Just jerk, 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 and let it sit, and I seen him come up and eat it. Sure did. Right off of this wall over here. You like it? I like it. If I can get me another one. This thing has a slow rise to it. It's supposed to dive like 3 to 5 or 5 to 7, I think. It's a 106X. I think it's going that deep, but it's got a slow rise to it depending on the water temperature. It might suspend, but it's coming up slow, and I seen it when it was coming up. The way that the nose goes, it's supposed to look like a dying bait fish, so bass came up and said, hey, I want that right there, boy. He got all 3 hooks too. Shout out to the 6 Cents Nation. Oh man, end the year on a good note. December 29th. I hope your Christmas was good. Mine was good. Got to visit some family down in California. Stuck in traffic out the wazoo, but what do you expect coming back from California when they ain't got no roads big enough to hold all the people? And there's a lot of people coming to Vegas. A lot. For whatever. Coming back from vacation from California, or they just coming to visit for the holiday, for New Year's Eve, or they just coming for a few days. Everybody got to come to Vegas between Christmas and New Year's. It is crazy here. Really one of the busiest weeks of the year. Surprise. When I come to Vegas, everybody dance to the music. Everybody go. Ooh, 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 ooh. All right, where's some more bass? One over here? Maybe. I'd like to catch me some crappie, but hey, I'm gonna be happy catching some bass. We're just here jerk, 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 jerk bait. I don't know where he came from, but he came up and got it. He said, I got to have that. This is a dang crappie. It feels big. Ooh, son, that's a big old bass. Oh, man. No. Ooh. Oh, look at that, sir. Another nice bass. On the keitech Easy Shiner.
Thank you, bass. Look at that one. Boy, that's a nice one right there. Got water all over my glasses. Oh, boy. Get out of this pocket back here in the back. Another largemouth. Some crappie today, but water off my glasses.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Well, I appreciate you hanging out. We're gonna wrap this one up. It's 2-something. The sun's going down. I caught 2 fish today. Seen some sheep. Seen some eagles. I don't know what I'm gonna see on the way back, but I got a little bit of a trip, so hopefully we get some footage of that. So thanks for hanging out. Check out on the next adventure. Thanks, Rednecks.